Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what printers and sticker labels you need to get started on Amazon FBA Canada. Alright, so I get this question all the time as to what printer do I need and what sticker labels, like what are these sticker labels? Alright, so before I get started, all the stuff that I'm talking about, all the products, all the links will be down in the description below, and you guys can find the sticker labels and the printers down there. Alright, so I'm on Amazon.ca right now, and these are the kind of sticker labels that you want to get. Basically, they're address labels. It's just Amazon, when they're talking about labeling the products, they call them labeling the products with sticker labels with UPC codes. They're basically like address labels. Now, Amazon.ca is not the only place that you can find these types of sticker labels. You can find them at Staples, although I find that they're very overpriced there. You can also find them at Walmart for, it's going to be a little bit more than this, but it's going to be cheaper than Staples. And they do sell some sticker labels at Dollarama, but I have to caution that those sticker labels aren't good quality. Like, the actual sticker paper itself is very thin and sometimes gets caught in the printer. So I wouldn't recommend them, even though they're like the cheapest. So there's these ones right here. This is a good quality. This is for inkjet printers, and a lot of people always ask me, like, what's the size? What's the size? To be honest, I actually don't really know offhand the actual size dimensions. All I know is for the sticker labels, if you see 30 per page, then that is the correct size, because they come in this size all the time. So if you see 30 sticker labels per page, then you are good to go. So like I said, this is for inkjet printers. There's inkjet and laser printers. They sell these for $300 for $10.97, which is pretty decent. I think at like Staples, this is closer to $20, and you might not even get 300 labels. You might get less. Now, I would recommend getting more than 300. You might be thinking, whoa, 300 sounds a lot. Well, that's actually 10 pages with 30 labels per page. Now, when you're first starting out, and even now, sometimes, I'm printing something and something gets messed up and the entire page is ruined. So if you mess up on one, sometimes the entire page can get messed up. So I would recommend getting at least the 750, which is like only $2 more. And if you know that you're going to be shipping a lot of stuff, the best deal is obviously the 3000, where it's $34.95. So they're not too expensive. So these are the types of sticker labels that you want to get. This is for the inkjet printers. Again, I will have all of these links down in the description below. Here's the one for laser printers. It's basically the exact same thing. They are slightly more. They don't have 300, but they do have 750, and it's $14.96, which is a decent price. And if you have Amazon Prime, you'll get it quite quickly. So make sure that you are buying the right kinds of labels for your printer, because if you buy an inkjet type sticker and you have a laser printer, they might get clogged, they might get stuck. And same thing, if you're going to get a laser sticker labels, make sure that you're using a laser printer. So I shop online all the time, so I would recommend these ones. They get shipped right to your door, and you don't need to go and search and find them. So they just come right to you. Next is printers. A lot of people think that you need to spend a lot on a printer when you're getting started with Amazon FBA, but you actually don't. I found a printer here. This is $50, $51. And it's an Epson inkjet printer, which is fine. Inkjet is what I started with, and I used like the $50 printer for the longest time. So you can get something like this along with the paper, and that's like less than $70. And it's cool because this is also a scanner as well, so it's not just a printer. And then make sure, when you're buying an inkjet, you get the inkjet type sticker labels. I want to point out this printer because you should not use the sticker labels on this. So Arit's dad had this printer in his office, and I was trying to print out a bunch of sticker labels, you know, for my shipment, and I had the laser paper and all, and it was just getting stuck over and over again. I could not get a clean printout of the sticker labels with this printer. So I would not recommend this particular model of printer at all, because it was just getting stuck. And even though it's a fast printer, it's actually a good quality laser printer, but it just, the way the design or something, whatever was happening inside this printer was not really liking the printer paper, the sticker printer paper, and it would just get caught, and it didn't work. I wasted so many pages of sticker labels on this printer. And this is the current printer that I have. This is not the one that I started off with. Like I said, I had a basic inkjet printer, like the kind that you saw in the first picture, this one. This is the kind of printer I had. It was just a basic one. But now I have this one. It's like an all-in-one laser printer. And this is the one that I have, and this one works great when I'm printing on these sticker labels as well. So those are my recommended picks for sticker labels and printers. Again, don't overthink it. It's just address labels, address sticker labels, and it's just printers. And if you want, you know, a cheaper option, you can get an inkjet printer. You guys can check the description below. All of the products that I was talking about will be down there. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.